Hey there, HubSpot has become really famous for disrupting their own innovation cycle every now and then. And right now, there's something new inside HubSpot. Yes, as always, there's something new inside HubSpot, and this is Marketing Home. There is completely new Marketing Home inside HubSpot right now, and today we are going to delve deeper into the same. So guys, there's now a new Marketing Home, and in order to access this, it's going to be really easy. All you have to do is firstly log into your HubSpot dashboard, and after that, click on the top right, click on product updates. So this is something which is new and it's in beta, it's coming soon. Click on in beta, and here you can see Marketing Home, it's a private beta, and click on request beta. So yes, I want to request this beta. So we have requested to enroll in this beta, and as soon as we are approved, we'll be able to access the new Marketing Home. And there are a lot of different new features. Let's dive in deeper. So guys, it's been some time and now we are finally approved for the Marketing Home new beta, and let's just go there and see what it looks like. So now that when we click on marketing, there's a new option called as marketing, and we click here and we are able to reach the Marketing Home, wherein we get a lot of these different features. So as you can see, we now have a very singular page where everything is in place. Now the good thing is that Marketing Home is tailored for marketers of all levels. So we can see that every piece of data which a marketer would need is present unified here. For example, I updated a test form on Monday, so that's showing up here. The whole activity related to marketing is showing up here. You can also assign your tasks from here. You can see the calendar from here. And apart from that, there's also our forms which we filled in the past for the previous videos. There are form submission tools visible at a glance here. Even the website visits, new contacts, and customer totals by day are visible over here. And apart from that, there's everything related to email marketing like email sent, opened, and click totals by email sent date. There's also option to see new visitor session totals by day with a source breakdown, so you know where those people came from. So most of these were direct traffic. There are marketing email sent totals with engagement rates, all of those. So this is our demo account, hence a lot of data is not populated over here. But if you're somebody who's working on a daily basis, all of these data points would be very actionable and will help you in your marketing journey. There's also a section for approvals in here. So if you have requested any approvals and those approvals that you have been asked to approve, all will show up here. So this is like a streamlined user interface for those people who are trying to use HubSpot to ramp up their marketing efforts, and it will help almost everybody. Right now, this is in beta, so it's not available for everyone. You have to request to join the beta. We also took at least a day or so to get approved, and then when you are inside the beta, you can access this. So guys, did you like the new changes in HubSpot's Marketing Home? And would these changes affect you as a marketer? Do let us know about this in the comment section below, and feel free to reach out to us for a one-on-one consultation call, which is absolutely free, wherein we will help you build that dream project of yours. And guys, I'll see you soon in the next video.